Hello educators. Let's see how I can create an engaging language session using my viewboard. So the topic of discussion today is word power. We will try to learn the meaning of different words with the help of pictures and text on my viewboard. So let's take this as an example. Here I have a picture and there are two words to learn. The first one is cooking. So when I click on cooking, image with some meaning has been shown to me. So with this image, I can probably understand that cooking refers to adding some ingredient in the dish to come up with the final product. And let's click on boiling. Alright, this when the temperature goes to a certain level, the water vapor comes out. So with this, I've understood the difference between cooking and boiling through picture. Now let us try to make a sentence with these two words. So for instance, the first one is cooking. So here I have a word, here I have a sentence called salt is crucial in cooking. While with boiling, I have a sentence which is the water is boiling. Now let us try to know how did we create this and how did we come up with this kind of a page. So to do that, let me add another page here. Now as you can see, I already have a pre-installed template to this page. Now to add a page, to add a picture here, I would like to go to Magic Box. As I click on Magic Box, there is an option of this online wizard. Let me click here. As I click here, let me choose education folder and probably choose something from the options given here. So as of now, I would like to choose daily necessities. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of pre-installed images here with their meanings or that can be identified with the help of pictures or animations. So let me probably choose a notebook here. Let me just simply drag and drop it on my screen. As you can see, a picture has been added here. Now here I have two words to learn from. The first one is note. So let me click on note. Now with this picture, I can understand that note means adding some information to the page or trying to note the things that teacher has asked. Let's click on mark. Mark says to underline, to highlight things that are already written in the text box. Now, in case I want to use the option, I want to write it in the word here. I want a text box. Let me choose the background color to this. Okay. Let me add one more. Let me change the background color to this again. Now I would like to add text in these two boxes. So the first one is note. I've written note here. I can change the font size and color according to my need. Make it bold. And here I want to write mark. Again, I'm going to change the font size. Not 50, probably. All right. Make it bold and bring it here. Now I would like to add a sentence here from these two words. Let me use the text box again and try to make a sentence with the word note. So I can say the teacher asked the students to note the important questions. And with mark, I can probably make a sentence which says, the teacher has marked important questions for the exam. So in this way, I can make my learning interactive using my ViewBoard.